I'm trying to work less this year, man. Every year we do this, I spend half the game out here cooking instead of enjoying and hosting my company. So I'm trying to do some stuff early this year so I don't spend half the game cooking. It's really not necessary to use a binder, but when you do a dry brine, the surface of your meat tends to get a little dry. So because of that, I'm going to put a little mustard on these before I put the seasoning on. We're gonna be doing 2 layers of seasonings on these. So first we're gonna do a thin layer. Man Meat Barbecue, real Kansas City style competition rub. It has a little bit of a kick in the back that I really like. And then my all-time go-to favorite, Montreal steak seasoning. I wanna season these very well because we're gonna be pulling these, and after it's pulled, I still want that flavor to come through. So we want a nice little bark if we can get it. All right, guys, y'all know how this goes, man. It's gonna be about 3 hours and stuff. I'm gonna come out here and make sure my temperature is not spiking, but other than that, we're just gonna let it roll smoke for a while. I'll bring you back when I take them off and put them in the pan, put them in the oven, and we're gonna let them roll like that.